I am back in Vancouver on Granville Island, and today I am going whale watching and I'm so excited. So if you watch my Instagram stories, you would know that this is actually my second time coming here. The last one got cancelled because there was high winds, nothing you can do, so fingers crossed we'll have a bit more luck today. So we just finished with the whale watching tour. Like, where do I even begin? Before I came over to Canada, I had this bucket list of animals that I wanted to see while I was here. Include humpback whales, killer whales, bald eagle, and I've seen all three today. So I just could not be happier. I don't expect too much because I don't want to have this huge letdown and be disappointed. And I said, you know what? If I see a seal, if I don't even see a whale, if I see one whale, I'm happy with that. There was about 5 or 6 humpbacks, and then one of them breached out of the water. I didn't get a video of it, but he breached out of the water, and then we went along and we seen some wild seals on the buoy marker thing. Then we seen the bald eagle, and then we went on to see a family of orcas, which included a baby. So I just today was like the greatest day ever. So I'm just chilling out in Granville Island, had a lovely lunch in the marketplace as well, highly recommended. And yeah, it's just been a great day overall. So I'll leave the link to Wild Whales in the description, because that's the company I went with. They are absolutely fantastic. They know a lot about whales, and there was stuff I already knew from watching David Attenborough, but they kind of, you know yourself, they knew it as well. But like, they just were so keen into conservation and recycling and all that kind of stuff. And part of the price of the tour as well goes towards rebuilding the salmon population, which some of the resident orcas eat. So things like that, and it's just such a great tour. So definitely recommend it when you're coming to Vancouver. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm just gonna chill out here and get the bus back to Whistler, because we have a very exciting day today. And I haven't actually told anyone on social media, but we are getting a new house, and I'll be doing the grand tour tomorrow, and just exciting times at the minute. So if you did like this video, make sure you leave us a like, comment, and also hit subscribe as well. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links are down below in the description. I have a ton of videos to get through. I'm sorry if these videos are a bit late, but it's all good. So we're all good. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.